Developing this morning in Woburn, police say a person was shot and killed outside of Jake and Joe's Sports Grill. It happened just after 9 o'clock last night in the parking lot of the popular restaurant. No arrests have been made, but police say this was not a random incident. The victim has not yet been identified.